In this video, I'm going to be working on the Khan Academy Challenge Waving Snowman. So what they want us to do is they are showing us that we've already built this basic snowman here, but they want us to draw some more shapes. And so the first one is they want to use the rect command to draw a rectangle on the ground so that the snowman isn't just floating in air. And it says you should add your rect command before the ellipses so that the snowman looks like he is in front of the ground. So basically the top layer here needs to go down before the circle shows up. So I'm going to have to put my rect command right here. So let's try that. And let's try, I'm just going to start making up some numbers and see where they land. Alright, it says the left edge is too far to the right. Okay, yep, it's way far over there. And so I need to make this number way smaller. So because what it's doing is it's going from the left edge to the center to make it start. So really I want it to start like all the way over here. So let's try a really low number like 10. And then it really says the same thing again in there. So let's just make it 0. And then it says it's not wide enough. So what they're saying is, I think that one of these numbers is too small. So let's stretch that out. Hey, that looks better. And actually, I don't want it to be that thick, so I'm gonna make the ground shorter. So I'm gonna do that. So that looks good. I'm getting closer to what they put in the example here, but I still need to make this one a bunch smaller. Let's see here. Make it no, this one. I think I need to make this bigger because it's starting here and I'm going down 200 to get to this line. I want to push it all the way down to the bottom here. So I'm going to let's do 400. Okay, now I'm off the page. So let's do 300. All right, that's progress. Let's do 325. 330. 350. Okay, 350 worked. I'm still kind of, the bottom of my rectangle is actually off the page, but I guess that's good enough for this. So I have 0 is my first number. I'm 0 away from the edge. 350, I'm 350 from the top. And then I'm 395 wide and I'm 59 high. So that's great. We can go to the next step here. And it says, now make him wave. And so you want to make it look like the snowman is waving by adding arms on both sides of his body using line. So you need to add 2 lines, 1 for each arm. We've given you some suggestions for the numbers in the hint code, but you can pick other numbers as long as it looks like arms. So we need to do this and this. So I'm going to come down here, say line. Let's just start with what they've given us here. Line 200, and let's say 50 and 50. Let's see what happens. Hey, that worked out here. Now I want to see what happens when I move these. So this number here is the x-coordinate of the second point, and this is the y. So these numbers right here are where this one is starting. So it's 160 away this way, and it's 200 down. And then this point out here, moving that one. So that's pretty good. And so if I'm 160 away here, maybe I could be about 230 away on the other side. And let's do 200 again because I want to keep the arms are going to be the same level this way, so I want to keep the same distance from the top. So I'm going to match the 200 and the 200. And then let's put, well, let's just put 73 and 55 and see what happens. I think I know what'll happen, but let's try it out. Oh, now his arms are touching. So because this 200 matches, they're horizontal across this way, but because these numbers here match, then this arm is sticking up and going all the way over that direction. I don't want that. I want this arm to come over here. So really, I just need to move. No, that's not the one I want to move. What I really want to move is this one, and I want to bring that arm all the way over here. So I need a much bigger number, so like 308. So then now it's saying that this 308, it's from here to here is 308. So that looks pretty good. All right, I think that does it. I have a waving snowman. Finish challenge.